Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to install the SPD Reset Tool APK and reset your Zosi DVR in minutes, no PC needed. First, make sure your Android device allows installations from unknown sources. Go to Settings, Security, Install Unknown Apps, and enable it for your browser or file manager. Next, download the SPD Reset Tool APK from a trusted source. Once the download is complete, open the APK file and tap Install. Wait for the installation to finish. After installation, open the SPD Reset Tool app. Connect your Zosi DVR to the same network as your Android device. In the app, select your DVR from the detected devices list. Tap Reset or Factory Reset in the app. Confirm your choice, and the tool will reset your DVR settings to default. This process usually takes a few minutes. Once the reset is complete, your Zosi DVR will reboot. You can now log in with the default username and password and set it up as new. By following these steps, you can easily install the SPD Reset Tool APK and reset your Zosi DVR without using a PC. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching.